What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are a regular, a returning subscriber, welcome back. Nice to see you here again. If you are new, my name is Ama Cheng. I cover travel, lifestyle, and business. So be sure to subscribe down below, hit the bell button, share with your friends, like all that good stuff. I noticed that I have a few viewers who are not subscribed, so I'll give you 5 seconds to subscribe, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're subscribed now. I recently flew back to Tanzania from South Africa, so it was my first international flight for more than 8 months or so, and there are so many changes and so many procedures. So I thought it was very necessary and important to show you guys what to pack. The things that I wish I packed, or I wish I packed better, would have made my journey or my flight way easier. So before we get into that, let's jump right into the intro. As I mentioned, I recently traveled back to Tanzania. It was my first international flight after a very long time. And this is the bag that I used. It was my carry-on like handbag, and it's the Louis Vuitton Never Full in the GM size. And I am so grateful for this bag. By the way, if you guys want me to review the bag itself, and it's my first luxury purchase, comment down below, and I think that would be a good video idea. But yes, back to the video. So this is the bag that I used, and I just wanted to show you everything that I packed and how I packed and what to pack during your flight right now in COVID times. First things first, I'll start with the important things. The Louis Vuitton bag comes with a small pouch inside. So this is where I keep all my important documents. So you would have your passport in this case, and traveling from South Africa to Tanzania, you require a yellow vaccine card. So this is what I had also in my bag, and it's in here for easy convenience because you don't want to start rumbling inside your bag. And you know how women bags are, you like have everything in there. You probably have a car in there. So I keep all my important documents in somewhere that's easy to reach and all in one place. So I have my passport, I have my yellow card vaccine. I also have my important travel docs. So these were inside here, which is my small pouch that's easy to reach. This would be your COVID test. So you can go anywhere, like you can travel anywhere without your COVID test. Most countries require it unless you're vaccinated. No, even if you're vaccinated, you require your COVID test. So I have my COVID test with me that I keep here because you're asked about it everywhere you travel, in the airport. So yeah, this is what I have also inside. But I also have this sheet that I was supposed to fill when entering Tanzania. So it's just a traveler surveillance form. So you would get this sheet. Some are physical, some for some countries. For example, if you're entering Kenya, because my flight passed through Kenya, you would fill online. So it's important to have these documents because they're checked throughout the airport. So these are my important travel documents. That is my passport, my yellow fever, my COVID, what's this test that shows that I am negative, and my travel surveillance form, depending on the country that you're going into. So something else I have in this purse are my sunglasses, which I can't live without. I love shades. So I usually, yes, I'm those people that probably rock shades indoors as well. I'm a diva like that, unfortunately. But yes, so I usually have my shades in here as well. So I had this in my small purse. So this would be what's in my small purse, easy to reach, and this is something that's very essential whenever you're traveling. Now that we're done with that, then I'd move on to what else I have in my bag. So I would have my wallet. My wallet would have all my cards, so everything from my insurance to my IDs, my bank cards, whatever it is. And in case if I have money, which I usually don't walk with money, is kept in here. Everything is digital for me, so I pay by card or whatever it is. So I have my wallet here with me. Something else that I have, which is very important during COVID times, are disinfectant wipes. You are surely traveling during very unprecedented times, and we know what's happening around the world. So you need wipes. wherever you're going, if you're on your seat, you wipe your seat, even though most planes and airports and whatnot are careful and clean, but you're never too sure. So it's best to have your own disinfectant wipes that you're walking with, that you can wipe anywhere, places that you're sitting, your hands, whatever it is, you're wiping yourself and wiping off those germs and killing those viruses, whatever it is. Something that's very important that I carry is a pen. Leave alone the notebook. A pen is very important. You will be filling forms. As I mentioned, most countries, you have forms, especially now during COVID. You have forms and forms to fill. So it's important to have your pen. You don't want to be stuck or like asking for a pen from people and sharing pens during this time and sharing contacts. It's not a good thing. So you'd rather have your pen. It will save you time and it's also more safer. So carry your pen. I also carry a notebook because I usually just like writing my stuff here and there. So I have like a, small notebook that I carry for whatever it is. Some other thing that I usually carry in my travel bag is my laptop. So this would be my MacBook that I just put in here. So it's easy to carry, it's light, and it's not that heavy. Something that goes in here in case I want to work or do something here and there. So that's in my bag. Another thing that I carry, being the content creator that I am, is my camera. So I'd have my camera in here. So you can see how everything fits in here. There's so much more and so much space. So I fit my camera in here in case I want to shoot or whatnot. To be honest, I've not used this camera as of yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. But I did carry it in my last trip because I wanted to shoot during my travel. So it stayed inside my bag and it was very comfortable in there. Yeah, so we move on. You need to carry your book if you like reading or whatever it is. If you're into movies, you can download something prior and have your book in case you're bored, in case you're because for example, my flight, I passed through Nairobi, which had like a long layover, so you can just chill and read your book or work or whatever it is and keep yourself busy and not be so bored. So I carried my book. And of course, you have your chargers. I have my laptop charger and my phone charger, just in case, even though I'm charging my things and my devices to full capacity, but these things, so you'd rather just carry your chargers with you inside your travel bag. In case you want to also carry a portable charger, I don't usually do that as much because my phone usually lasts or whatnot, but you can also carry a portable charger, but I like carrying the physical ones. Also, my earphones, because you want to be listening or doing anything that you want to do. So carry your earphones, and this is what I usually put inside here as well. And very, very important as a lady. So the bag is almost empty. Oh, I have one more thing. One of the most important things. Don't forget masks. So you might be wearing one, but you also just want to carry one or two or three more masks inside your bag just in case you want to change or whatever it is. So, or you misplace your other mask or whatever it is, just carry your mask. So these are the times that we're living in. We are walking around with masks everywhere. So, and you won't be allowed or you'd be stopped if you're not wearing your mask. In any airport that you'll be passing through, you need a mask. You need to be wearing one properly, not under your nose, not under your mouth, properly. So you need your mask. So that comes to the end of the inside, but the bag has a small compartment where I usually keep my lady stuff. So this would be my hand cream, which is so important because your hands would obviously get dry, and you're in airports, you're washing your hands, you're doing this, you're doing that. So carry your hand cream just for moisturizing your hands. I actually need some for my hands right now. And then it's important to carry your lip balm or lip moisturizer, whatever you call it. So I use this from the Body Shop. It's just your plain coconut lip balm to just, moisturize the lips because it can get dry and it can get cold, whatever it is. So carry your lip balm. Important, your sanitizer. This was supposed to be one of the first things I removed from the item, but I saved the last compartment for last to talk about. So don't forget your sanitizer. You will have stations and whatnot putting sanitizer dispensers almost everywhere because it's the world we live in right now. But it's important to carry yours as well. So don't forget your sanitizer. Don't forget your wipes. This is very important. And your mask, very important right now in terms of how you're keeping yourself safe as well. So what else do I have here for my lady stuff? I have my small perfume. It's the little one. It's like a sample. It's Louis Vuitton as well. So in case you want to freshen up and you're in the flight, you're waiting for long hours, you can just freshen up with some perfume, not walking around all stinky and stuff. This is the sample perfume, but you can purchase a travel perfume. Something else I usually carry in case I want to vavavoom a bit. I have my red, lipstick or whatever that I can carry. Don't usually use it, but just in case, because nothing beats a red lippy. It just brings you to life. Lastly, as a lady, I usually carry my tampons, 1 or 2, just in case, of anything I would carry just to keep safe, and you never know. So that's it for my bag. This is my travel bag. I really enjoyed traveling with it. It really had, these are just some things that I put, but I literally had 2 laptops, one for my office and one for personal, and I had a lot of junk and it all fit in there. Something I forgot to pack here is a shawl or something to cover yourself up, because sometimes it can get cold or you just want to cover yourself up. It's important to have one. I noticed that I didn't pack that, which is so important. Also, something that I wish I packed, which I still don't have, I will buy when I'm trying to travel again, are earplugs. You're in the plane, sometimes that baby's crying and you just want to sleep, or you just don't want to hear a lot of noise. You can just put on your earplugs. It's also important to have some earplugs in order to cancel out some noise. That brings me to the end of my video. So comment down below if you traveled recently. What are things that you wished you packed, or what are things that you found very important, or what are some of the changes that you thought were very crazy that you wish you packed something for it. And yeah, I love to engage more, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.